Hi friends! Welcome back to Aurika's Little Stars. My name is Aurika and today we are going to read a new book together. But before reading the book, if you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe button right there. Yes, there. So we can read more books together. Don't forget to hit notifications too, please. Great! Now you are an official little star. The book we are going to read today is... Are you ready? Ta-da! Birds of a Feather, written by Sita Singh, illustrated by Fizer, Coleman. You ready to read the book? Let's get started. One spring morning, the Himalayan jungle welcomed a new generation of peacocks, including one named Mo. Each one was covered in a coat of yellow or brown feathers. Mo and his friends roosted high and low, cut twigs and termites, and screeched loud into the night. Mo loved to roost, hunt, and screech. But what he loved most of all was playing hide and seek. This is a fun game, right? By the second summer, each peacock donned a crest. They grew flight feathers, tail feathers. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Some had short tail, some had long. All the long-tailed peacocks turned into peacocks with bright, bold, beautiful colors. All except Mo. Mo looked different. From the top of his crest to the tip of his tail, his feathers shone white. Mo didn't mind. The peacocks still did everything together. And guess what is Mo? Can you find Mo? It's right there. This is Mo. But as time went on, hide and seek wasn't quite as fun as it used to be. Mo couldn't hide like the others. He didn't have bright, bold, beautiful feathers. Mo looked different, and he began to feel different too. And he looked sad. But his friends did what friends do. You are still a peacock. Don't think about it. You'll be fine. Birds of feather grow together. Mo shook off his worries. He was glad to belong to such a great group of peacocks. Soon the jungle announced its biggest day, the annual dance in the rain. The young peacocks couldn't wait to show off. First rain, first dance. They flocked to the color salon. They flew to the bird boutique. All the peacocks praised. They admired themselves, all except Mo. Even with fluff and trim, Mo's feathers were no match for the others. Mo looked different. Mo felt different. And now he also felt alone. But his friends did what friends do. You are still a peacock. Colors don't make the bird. Let's learn the dance. Neck tight, feathers loose, spread your tail. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Feathers swung open. The peacocks strutted. They swayed. Colors whirled all around. Mo's friends shouted, "Go, Mo, go!" But all he heard was, "No, Mo, no." However hard Mo tried, he only saw what he didn't have: bright, bold, beautiful feathers. Mo looked different. Mo felt different. He felt alone. and he was sad too. On the big night, everyone gathered to welcome the first rain. Everyone except Mo. Mo watched from a place in the trees. Soon, black clouds took over the sky and raindrops hit the ground. The peacocks were ready for their dance, but there was just one problem. It was too dark to see. The peacocks bumped into one another. They stepped on one another's trains. Their feathers rumbled and ruffled. Everyone was in a foul mood. Then thunder crashed and lightning flashed. Suddenly, Mo noticed a bright and brilliant glow. He straightened his slouch and loosened his wings. He looked all around until he realized the glow was coming from him. Do you see how beautiful Mo is now? Right away, Mo took flight. In a swoop, he lighted up the ground. Yes, Mo was different, but now Mo saw what he had all along. Bright, bold, beautiful feathers, and his crest felt like a crown. As lightning flashed, the hip-hoppers croaked. He glows like the snow. The belly dancer trumpeted. He's as bright as a lotus. The rock rollers roared, but we still can see. Mo knew just what to do. He stood tall, he strutted and swayed, then he fluttered his feathers and swung them open. And Mo danced. Light flickered, it flashed, the jungle glowed bright. At last, everyone could see. The peacocks fanned their feathers and danced together. Sounds of celebration echoed throughout the jungle. Mo smiled. He planted his plum as wide as he could. On and on he danced. On and on, Mo called to the sky. Тихо, тихо, тихо. That night, the rains didn't stop, neither did Mo. And when his friends shouted again, he heard them loud and clear. Go, Mo, go! The end. I hope you little stars enjoyed the book. I did. And remember, if you have a favorite book but you'd like me to read to you, or you want me to give a shout out to you, go on aurikasalittlestars.com and write a message there. I would be happy to hear from you. See you next time. Shine bright, little stars. Be good.